As IT and digital transformation leaders in manufacturing, your role is ever evolving. You're not just keeping systems running, you're enabling real-time decision-making, enterprise visibility, and innovation. The need for reliable and accessible data to inform sustainability and risk management strategy is ever growing. But when sustainability metrics live in spreadsheets or isolated systems, it's hard to deliver on that promise. IT and digital transformation leaders, including CTOs and CIOs, are always refining their long-term roadmap for digital strategy. But siloed data, disconnected plants, and legacy systems create friction. It's tough to gain a comprehensive view of the enterprise, scale insights across multiple facilities, or align OT data with corporate ESG goals. OT systems architects and engineers are the bridge between plant floor operations and IT strategy. You're managing legacy systems, securing data pipelines, and ensuring uptime. But without a coordinated approach, it becomes difficult to add new sustainability metrics without increasing complexity. And there are risks to creating yet another island of data, disconnected from your broader architecture. For data and analytics managers, your stakeholders want resource usage and emissions data that they can trust, fast. But inconsistent data quality, limited context, and uncertainty around data coverage, whether you're seeing the full picture or just part of it, make it hard to deliver insights with confidence. That often leads to delays and continued reliance on manual reporting. Across roles, the challenge is the same. How do we break down silos of data and reduce complexity so stakeholders can access trusted, contextualized insights that support both operational performance and sustainability goals? Prophecy for Sustainability Insights helps improve resource efficiency, gain competitive advantage, and boost profitability by connecting business KPIs to plant floor actions. Discover how GE Vernova's Prophecy software can help solve operations challenges. Visit our website or contact us to learn more.